Let's see how to get a free VPN on iPhone 17 Pro Max. First, go to Settings. Go to General. Go to VPN and Device Manager. Tap on VPN. Tap on Add VPN Configuration. Tap on Type. Select Alt to TP from here. Now give a name for your VPN. Now you have to give the address of a free VPN server here. You will get the server from the internet browser, so open the Safari app. Type vpngate.net and search. You will see there are many free VPN servers here. Choose any VPN server from here and copy it. Now paste the copied server address here. Now enter VPN in the account option. Enter VPN as the password. Enter VPN in the secret option. After doing all this, tap on OK. Now turn on the VPN. Now iPhone 17 Pro Max is connected to the VPN. This is how you could get free VPN on iPhone 17 Pro Max without any app.